was a stretch of mornings when I woke up already behind, breakfast either skipped or eaten standing over the sink. Then one night I spooned oats and milk into a jar, and the next morning breakfast was simply there. Already waiting. Already kind. Here's the base: half a cup of rolled oats, half a cup of the milk you love, a spoonful of yogurt, a teaspoon of chia seeds, a little honey, and a pinch of salt. Stir it, seal it, tuck it in the fridge overnight. That's the whole thing. In the morning, choose your mood. Cozy apple cinnamon, with grated apple and walnuts. Berry vanilla, with frozen berries that turn syrupy by morning. Or peanut butter banana, swirled and topped with sliced fruit. Make a few jars at once and you've gifted yourself several calmer mornings. This isn't about a perfect breakfast. It's about opening the fridge and finding proof that you looked out for yourself. Tonight, make one jar. Not for any goal, just as a small way of telling tomorrow you that she's cared for. If this spoke to you, a like or a subscribe truly means the world. And it helps someone else find this too.